Good morning everyone. In this video, we are discussing on the term bookkeeping. Before moving on to the bookkeeping, let's have a small recap on the term accounting which was discussed in our previous video. What is accounting? Accounting is the art of recording the business transaction and interpreting the results. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing a business transaction and interpreting the results thereof. Accounting involved identifying the business transaction, measuring the business transaction, recording the business transaction, classifying the business transaction and summarizing the data, analyzing and interpreting the financial data and communicating the results to outsiders. What can be identified, measured, recorded and classified in the books of accounts? Only the transactions which can be expressed in terms of money can be identified, measured, recorded and classified in the books of accounts. After we have classified, we need to summarize the data, summarize the financial data into the financial statements called P&L, balance sheet, cash flow statements, etc. After we have summarized the financial data, we need to analyze the financial reports and if needed, the same reports needs to be communicated to the outsiders as such shareholders, public, employees and government. So moving on to the term bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the art of recording business transaction in a systematic manner. The scope of bookkeeping is limited to recording the business transaction in a systematic manner. It does not involve summarizing the financial data, analyzing the financial data and communicating the financial data to the outsider. The job of bookkeeper ends until recording the transaction in a systematic manner. Let's see the differences between bookkeeping and accounting. So accounting is the art of recording the financial data and producing the financial statements, whereas bookkeeping is just limited to recording the business transaction in a systematic manner. It does not involve summarizing and analyzing the financial data. So accounting is called second stage. Accounting is called second stage, whereas bookkeeping is called first stage. That is why it is said that accounting begins where bookkeeping ends and bookkeeping starts before accounting. The job of the bookkeeper ends until the classification of the transaction, whereas job of the accountant starts from summarizing the financial data and analyzing the financial data and communicating the reports to outsiders. So in accounting, conclusions are drawn. That means from the accountant can identify the financial position of the business and he will provide the conclusion on the financial statements to the outsiders. Whereas in bookkeeping, no conclusions are drawn. As bookkeeper jobs ends until the classification of transactions. So bookkeeping is the art of just recording the business transaction in a systematic manner and it does not involve summarizing, analyzing and communicating the financial data to outsiders.